This brand is made in China and offers a unique saddle AC unit that straddles the windowsill, which allows for easy installation and unobstructed views through the window. The units are available in 4 sizes from 6,000 to 12,000 BTU, with the 10,000 and 12,000 sizes providing heat as well as cooling. They can be controlled by remote or through Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. The units have a 12 SEER efficiency and are quiet with a 38 decibel indoor sound rating, which is less than the sound from a light rain. They use 115-volt power, which allows them to be used virtually anywhere, and they are backed by a pretty good guarantee. The units use R410, a refrigerant which is not as good for the planet as brands that use R32, and they only have a standard washable filter that does not do much in the way of removing dirt or enhancing the home's air quality. The brand can be purchased online through their Amazon store as well as at many discount retailers. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.